So we got here some jalapeno poppers. We put some beef in them. We put some cream cheese. And then we're gonna top it off with cheddar cheese, roast it on the fire. Right now we got 3 ears of corn going in that far corner there. Hopefully they're not burning. Yeah, should be pretty good. Just like a pizza. Good. This might be more difficult. We got powdered cream, powdered butter, powdered cheddar cheese, and mayonnaise. Just thinking maybe a little bit of hot sauce in there, but we got a little spice with the jalapeno already, so don't want to overdo it. And this is for the corn. Okay. So you have something to put on the corn. A little rough. It's alright. Steaming. It's hot. It's al dente, but it's good. Looking pretty good. Cooked a little on the bottom. Perfect.